This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix WhatsApp notification not working on iPhone. So if you're not getting any message notification from WhatsApp, just follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. So the first solution is turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Open your control center, tap on Do Not Disturb mode if it's enabled, disable it, and then disable silent mode. And then go to settings, sound and haptics, increase your ringer and alerts volume, and then disable low power mode. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on battery. If your low power mode is enabled, disable it, and now you should receive WhatsApp message notifications. And the second solution is allow notification from WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp, tap on settings, notifications, and enable all of these options. And after that, go to your iPhone settings, tap on notifications, tap on scheduled summary, and turn off scheduled summary from here. And here, scroll down and search for WhatsApp, then tap on it and allow notification from here. Allow these 3 alert boxes, enable sounds, badges, show previous, select always or when unlocked. And after doing these settings, you should receive WhatsApp message notification. And the third solution is go to general, background app refresh, select Wi-Fi and mobile data, tap on back, search for WhatsApp, enable WhatsApp from here, and hope this will fix your WhatsApp message not sending notification issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.